How to display tagged photos on your Instagram profile. So in order to display your tagged photos on your Instagram profile, first of all you have to open Instagram app. And once you open it, make sure to sign in on your Instagram account. Then you have to go to your profile feed by tapping on the user icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will let you access to your profile feed. So on the third option, as you can see, there is the tagged icon. Simply you have to tap on it in order to see the tagged photos and videos on your Instagram. Then here I can see one photo has been tagged on my Instagram. So in order to display this tagged photos on our Instagram profile, let me inform you that till the date Instagram has not developed any feature that help us to display the tagged photos on our Instagram profile. So people will open our profile feed, then by tapping on the third tagged photos or videos icon they will be able to find out the tagged photos and videos, but it cannot be directly displayed on our Instagram profile. Instagram only gives us the features to hide or remove this tagged photos or videos. Just you have to select the manage icon at the top right corner of the screen, and at the bottom when you select at the top right corner there is the select icon. When you select hide at the bottom left corner, let's tap on hide, or you can also select remove at the bottom right corner. Choose the photo that you want to hide or remove. So let's tap on hide, and this tagged post will be hidden from our profile. Once you have done that, the tagged photo or post has already been hidden from our profile. So let's refresh this page. When you tap on that tagged icon, then as you can see it has already been hidden. So those tagged posts can only be hidden or removed but cannot be displayed on our Instagram profile. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it, hit the notification bell for more updates.